Today, I am reviewing KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, we're diving into the KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC, a compact yet powerful machine that combines portability, efficiency, and performance into a sleek, budget-friendly package. If you've been looking for a small form-factor computer that doesn't compromise on power, this mini desktop is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the processor. The GK3 Plus is powered by the latest 12th generation Intel Alder Lake N95 CPU, which can clock speeds of up to 3.4 GHz. This new generation processor delivers about 35% better performance compared to previous N-series chips, making it faster and smoother for daily multitasking. Whether you're browsing the web, handling office tasks, streaming, or even light creative work like photo editing, this CPU holds up very well. On top of that, the integrated Intel UHD graphics running at 1.20 GHz provide up to 78% better GPU performance than older models. That means this mini PC can easily handle 4K streaming, multiple monitor setups, and light graphics work without stuttering. Now, let's talk about memory and storage, because that's where this PC really shines. Out of the box, you get 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is plenty for multitasking, running multiple browser tabs, or working with large documents. Storage-wise, it comes with a fast 512 GB M.2 solid-state drive, which not only ensures quick boot times but also makes apps launch instantly. If you need more space, there's an option to expand storage up to 2 TB using a 2.5-inch SATA SSD or HDD. So whether you're someone who needs fast responsiveness or a huge databank for files and media, this PC has you covered. Despite its compact size, the GK3 Plus is incredibly versatile. The design is sleek and minimal, measuring only about 5 by 5 inches and less than 2 inches thick. That means you can place it almost anywhere, on a crowded desk, under a monitor, or even mounted behind a display using the included VESA mount. This makes it ideal not only for home or office use, but also for turning any regular monitor or TV into an all-in-one workstation or home theater system. Speaking of displays, the GK3 Plus really shines when it comes to graphics and connectivity. It supports up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, and thanks to dual HDMI ports plus a VGA port, you can connect up to 3 monitors simultaneously. That's a huge productivity boost. Imagine writing documents on one screen, keeping communication apps open on the second, and streaming or editing on the third. For entertainment, the 4K playback is smooth, with sharp text, vivid colors, and clear details that make movies and TV shows look fantastic. Connectivity is another strong point of this mini PC. It comes with Gigabit Ethernet for fast wired internet, as well as dual-band Wi-Fi supporting both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. Bluetooth 4.2 is also built in, so pairing wireless mice, keyboards, speakers, or headphones is easy. On the port side, you get 2 USB 3.2 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, dual HDMI 1 VGA, an RJ45 Ethernet port, a mic input, audio output, and of course the power connection. This makes it flexible for both modern and older peripherals. Cooling is handled by a built-in fan system, which keeps performance consistent even under heavy multitasking. The fan runs quietly, so you don't have to worry about distracting noise during work or entertainment. Now, who is this mini PC really for? Honestly, it's a great choice for a wide range of users. Students can use it for online learning, note-taking, and research. Professionals and business users can rely on it for office tasks, video calls, and multitasking. It also works well as a home theater PC, perfect for streaming 4K content directly to your TV. Even light photo editing or creative work is very doable thanks to the extra RAM and storage expansion options. Finally, let's not forget about the value factor. With specs like 16 GB of RAM, a 512 GB SSD, and the newer Intel N95 chip, the KAMRUI GK3 Plus offers an impressive balance of performance and affordability. Instead of spending big money on bulky desktops or overpriced laptops, you can get a compact and efficient machine that handles everyday tasks with ease. To wrap it up, the KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC is a small but powerful desktop solution for 2025. It's fast, reliable, space-saving, and versatile, making it perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a secondary PC for the home or office. With great connectivity options, support for multiple monitors, expandable storage, and smooth 4K performance, this mini PC delivers more than you'd expect at its price point. If you're looking for a compact computer that balances power, storage, and flexibility, the KAMRUI GK3 Plus is definitely a smart investment.